Looking to instantly brighten your living room this holiday season? These Christmas pillow covers, sized perfectly at 18 by 18 inches, offer a simple way to add a splash of festive charm without the hassle. Made from quality cotton linen, they bring a natural, eco-friendly vibe that feels as good as it looks. I've tried a few holiday pillow covers before, but what stood out with these was the texture and durability. The cotton linen fabric feels substantial, yet soft, and the colors are vibrant without being overpowering. After using them last Christmas, I was impressed that they held up well on my sofa. No fading or wear, even with daily use during the busiest season. Plus, they're easy to swap out, so refreshing your holiday look is a breeze. What makes these pillow covers even more appealing is their versatility. They're not just decorations. They make thoughtful gifts for friends or family who appreciate a cozy, festive home. The price point is smart, too, affordable enough to grab a few sets without stretching your budget. If you want to explore more designs, Hanggood offers a wide range of Christmas pillow covers to suit any style or space. If you're ready to upgrade your holiday decor with something that blends style, comfort, and sustainability, these cotton linen pillow covers are worth a look. And if you have any questions or need assistance, Hanggood's customer service is just an email away, ready to help you get the perfect festive touch. Bring warmth and cheer to your home this season with these beautiful, eco-friendly Christmas pillow covers. Whether for yourself or as a gift, they offer a fresh, festive update that lasts. Try them when you're ready to make your holiday space feel truly inviting.